So your ingredients are potatoes, eggs, celery, onions, and then you're also going to need some sweet relish, some mayo, some salt, some pepper, and some dill. You'll need to make some hard-boiled eggs, so you're going to boil your eggs. And then you're going to peel and cut up some potatoes. And it just depends on how many people you're going to be feeding. I generally use, maybe 5 or 6 potatoes. Then you're going to chop up a couple of stalks of celery and an onion. Again, that depends on how many you're trying to feed. And then I peel and rinse and chop up my eggs. And the next step, I'm going to be mixing in the eggs that I've chopped up, the celery that I've diced, and the onions that I've diced. And I'm going to mix those in with the potatoes, which I cooled in the refrigerator after I drained and cooled after they were nice and tender, but you don't want them to get mushy because otherwise you're just going to have mashed potato salad instead of potato salad. And of course, I cut mine up fairly chunky, my potatoes, but you can do that according to the size that you like. This recipe is my granny's recipe, and the only thing that I do a little bit different is that I add some dill to it. And I like the way that brightens the taste of the potato salad. I add that to my coleslaw, and I also add dill to my macaroni salad. Then you're going to add about a half cup of sweet relish. Make sure it's not dill. That would definitely change the flavor. The sweet relish really enhances the potato salad. And then, just according to your taste and how creamy you like it, I put about 1.5 cups in this batch of potato salad. Again, I don't measure it. I've made it so many times that I can just kind of eyeball it and tell what I need. Now this is just a little bit of Dijon mustard. You could put any kind of mustard that you want. Some people like a lot of mustard in their potato salad. I just want a little bit in mine because I don't want it to be all yellowy and too mustardy. Then the last thing that I'm doing is I'm going to add some salt, and you don't want to over salt it because you can always add but you can't take away. And I'm going to grind some pepper up into it. Not too much pepper. And then I'm going to add my dill. And, I add a generous amount. I would say at least a teaspoonful, if not a little bit more. And then mix all that in really well. And you're going to have some yummy potato salad. I always, after I have mixed it up, and I'll show you in just a second, I always taste it, make sure that it's got everything that it needs, seasoning-wise, consistency-wise, and you can do that according to what you and your family like. But this is my granny's recipe, and everybody seems to enjoy it when I make it. I made it for us last night so that we were just going to have sandwiches. So I made a little potato salad to go with the sandwiches. And got some left over for lunch today. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. I'm getting ready to taste it. Mix it up really well. And it's yummy, y'all. I think you'll enjoy this recipe. Try it sometime. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.